Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic has continued to hold above our ascending trend line, which is still suggesting that Matic could continue still unlocking higher prices and also give us a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $0.6227 mark, where we can then get a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. Matic has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and you can see that after seeing our massive sell-off on the 10th of June, giving us a low at around the $0.5 mark, afterwards I've been tracking this Elliot structure where I'm terming this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw this corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and I had minimum target areas highlighted on the charts for this second wave using this red target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have fully maximized and even seen a reaction of that target area to the upper side in what could be the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And by first giving you minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.8113 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also trying to track another micro Elliott wave count within the formation of that wave 3, where we can term this as the first wave. Then we have seen a corrective structure over here in this wave 2, and there are chances that very soon we could see a bounce to the upside in a wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in that wave 5, fully maximizing our target area at around the $0.81 mark, and getting to see whether this second wave, the micro Elliott wave count 2 right here, has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do using the Fibonacci's, where we expect that second wave to get a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that you have fully maximized. And there are chances that once you see a reaction of this target area, we can then get another impulse to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where we can have minimum target areas given by the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.774 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Matic to do on the short-term point of view. So let's continue watching for a reaction of this target area and a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $0.6227 mark. And once we break above that, get a successful retest, then we can continue gearing up. On the worst case scenario, in case further breakdown continues and maybe we lose this red target area that I have here in the formation of this wave 2, then we can continue watching our trend line, which lies at around the $0.5778 mark, to act as support, and we can get support at that point and then find another bounce back to the upside, managing to break above significant areas of resistances. That is what we can also expect in case further breakdown continues. And jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you my long-term point of view here on the Matic chart, basing it on the Elliott structures, you can see that last year in June, we made our low at around the $0.32 mark. Then we started a 5 wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started to break down in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have also been seeing these ABC corrective structure also play out, where we have seen the wave C fully maximizing our minimum target area for these larger Elliott wave count 2, highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And since we have fully maximized our minimum retracement areas for this wave 2, I'm now expecting another bounce back to the upside in an impulsive wave in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. So we need to understand that Matic is within minimum reversal areas for that second wave, and soon could give us a massive pump to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And for it to confirm to us that the low is in and the start of an impulse has now started, I'm expecting Matic to give us a 5 wave move on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once you see such a move on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of that wave 3 has now started. And once you see such a move, I'll be able to give you minimum target areas for that larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.